Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on adding algebraic fractions. On the next two slides, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about algebraic fractions. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses. And now let's have a look at the lesson. So we're going to simplify each of the following. Now here we have two algebraic fractions and they're added together. Now if we remember, when we add simple fractions, we look at the two denominators, okay, and basically we say to ourselves, what do we need to write in the denominator so that each of those denominators will divide into it? Okay, and basically it's called the lowest common multiple. So if we have m plus 1 and m plus 2, the product of m plus 1 and m plus 2 we put in the denominator. I've just written the fraction again, that is the sum again, so we can show you the working in this section here. So that section shows you the working. M plus 1 divided into this denominator gives us m plus 2. So we multiply the 3 by the m plus 2 to give us 3 outside of m plus 2. M plus 2 divided into this denominator gives us m plus 1. So we multiply the 4 by the m plus 1. So basically that's the answer. However, we expand the numerator and that gives us this line over that one. When we simplify that expression, we get 7m plus 10 over m plus 1 times m plus 2. So we have now simplified that addition of the two algebraic fractions, and that's the answer. For example 2, we're adding those two algebraic fractions. Now, I have rewritten the sum here, that one there, but all of this part here shows us the working, all that part there. So we have those two denominators there. Now if we write w squared minus 4 here, which is the lowest common multiple, each of those will divide into w squared minus 4. Because if you remember, w squared minus 4 is w plus 2, w minus 2. We saw that in earlier videos. So w squared minus 4 divided into w squared minus 4 goes 1. 1 times 5 is 5. W plus 2 into w squared minus 4 goes w minus 2. So that's 4 outside of w minus 2. That's the 4 there. So we expand that to give us 5 plus 4w minus 8 over w squared minus 4. And that gives us 4w minus 3 over w squared minus 4. So we started there and that is the answer. So this video has shown us how to add algebraic fractions together, and all we do, we look at the two denominators, we work out what the lowest common multiple is, which is whatever that is. Each of those denominators divide into that, and then we take it from there. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by introducing a rap song about algebraic fractions. And I hope you found benefit from this lesson.